a good question, and it really comes down to two factors. Number one, it's our concentration, right? So we have a 20 to 30 stock portfolio, and one of the things that we were concerned with when we initially pitched this idea to our executive committee to get it approved was they said, hey, Daniel, great that you want to concentrate. That's the best way to outperform up cap scale where it is more efficient, but is it going to introduce additional volatility to the portfolio? And so our idea to combat that sort of idiosyncratic risk that you get with a 20 to 30 stock portfolio was to heavily lean into our highest conviction rated stocks. So conviction for us is a little bit different than the industry. We don't look at it from just how compelling is the idea from risk reward. Conviction's more of a risk ranking. So a high conviction stock for us tends to be higher quality and it has lower risk. A lower conviction idea, not necessarily inferior from a risk reward perspective, but it does have more risk. So when it makes it into the portfolio, it's a smaller weight. So the combination of that conviction and concentration is one differentiator for us. The other is the fact that we are not buy and hold investors. A lot of value managers, think low turnover, buy and hold is the way to approach this game. We differ. We have a highly active approach. Our highly active approach is anchored by our structured sell discipline, which ultimately leads to us adjusting the portfolio based on risk reward or the stock price relative to the assessed value or intrinsic value. And then also admitting when we make mistakes. We will make a lot of mistakes in this business. We're trying to minimize those mistakes. So we track a thesis on every stock. When our thesis has been invalidated, we're quick to move on to the next idea. So those are two differentiating factors. I think through our process, we have a differentiated approach to finding ideas as well. And I think as you see our portfolio, we have minimal overlap with some of our peers in the marketplace because we put those differentiated ideas into the portfolio.